Morning! And it's what is it today? Thursday morning. The first Thursday after the clocks went back. So I've got you on exposure +1. Ooh. So hopefully this is bright enough that you can see. And we've had a hell of a lot of rain recently. Probably doesn't compare to other countries. Probably doesn't compare to the north of this country, which is the UK, if you didn't know. But it has been torrential, and we've had a bit of minor flooding, and some people have had a bit of major flooding. And don't we berate the rain? As Englanders, we should be bloody used to it by now, but it always comes at the wrong time. As I say, the clocks went back, so that only really allows me the mornings to have a bit of a play while the world lightens and brightens. And the rain has spoilt that. I mean, even now I'm going down these roads rather gingerly for what I normally do, because there's bound to be crap everywhere. This is the first time I've been down here in about a week, and you just know there's detritus. There you go. It's big. You probably can't pick it up on the camera. There's a big line of brown mulched leaves down the middle of the road, and I'm very fearful when the roads are damp. But yes, don't we berate the rain? We get so annoyed about it, and it's, for the year we've had, it's been pretty much rain free. I can't remember it really being that bad. So I was just watching that van. He's still sat in the outside lane. I've undertaken him, another car's undertaken him, and one's stuck right up his jacksie. Not a care in the world. Beautiful. If only I could grow that attitude. I know a lot of people think I don't care about other road users, but I do give them a lot of consideration, and I have to, because you can't ride around at the speed limit, exactly on the speed limit, all the time, and not consider other road users. That would be a recipe for absolute disaster. That's it. Just block my little alleyway off. Cheeky bloody lorry drivers. But yes, we do hate the rain when it arrives, but let's be fair, it sustains life, doesn't it? We need it. It makes the greens a better looking green, apart from when they're on the floor in front of you on the tarmac. And for the job I do, usually I'm in either the control tower for half a day, or the second half of the day I'm in the crane. So the rain doesn't overly affect me, apart from when it clogs up all the shit that we're putting through the machine. Yeah, let's stop and walk around this bend. Yeah, unless it clogs up my machine, I've got to dig it out. It's not so good digging out. while it's pissing I'll be rain, and digging out what is quintessentially mud that should be scrap. So yes, let's well, you do what you want to do, but I'll try and berate the rain less. It is keeping us alive. Let's give it a chance. But if it could just rain when I don't need to be outside, and possibly not rain at the weekend when I want to go for a play, because now the clocks have gone back, there'll be very few mornings I'll have enough light to have a play, and then I'll be reliant on the weekends. There you go. Give rain a chance. Rain life matters. How's that? That's not going to catch on at all, is it? Doesn't have the same ring to it. There you go, thought of the morning. What an idiot. Ta-ra.